Okay, video number 2, continuing on the factors so that we can do subtraction. Okay, here we have breaking apart the ones unit, okay, the ones place, so that we can subtract using the number line. And we're gonna do this in 2 steps. Okay, we're gonna start at 63, and then we're gonna subtract 3 to get down to 60, and then we're gonna subtract 4 more, okay, because 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, there's the 4 and there's the 3. We start at 63. We jump back 3 times all the way to 60, and then 4 more times all the way to 56. What is the number that we landed on? 56. Okay, real quick, just to go over something real quick. Why are we moving to the left in the number line? Because remember, when we are subtracting, we are jumping backwards to the left. Subtraction is to the left. Now let's look at number 1 real quick. Break apart the ones to subtract, and then we write the difference. Okay, remember, difference is subtraction. We start at 55, okay, and then we're gonna subtract 8. What 2 numbers can we use to make up 8? Okay, we can use 4 plus 4 equals 8. So if we're gonna start at 55 and we jump backwards 4 times, we're gonna land in 51. But we still need to jump 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's 8 jumps backwards. That's a number 47. Our answer is 47. Okay, now let's take a look at number 2. We need to start at 42. We have 42 minus 5, so we start at 42. And then we're gonna subtract 5, so we're gonna be jumping to the left, right, boys and girls? Okay, what 2 numbers make up 5? We know 4 plus 1 equals 5. That could work. And we can also use 3 plus 2 equals 5. That would also work. Okay, in this case we can use the 3 plus 2. I like that one better. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we start at 42, we jump backwards 3 times. Okay, that would be 39. We still need to do 2 more. Okay, and that would land us in 37. So 42 minus 5 equals 37. All right, the next 2 pages are on your own.